Hello friends, welcome to Academic Heights. Learn from home. Why Academic Heights? For clarity, for concepts, for code, for competency. Overall, your turning point starts here. I am ready to teach you. Are you ready to learn? We are discussing all important concepts of 3-mark questions in polynomials. Chapter 2, Class 10 CBSE. Here we go to the question number 43. If two zeros of this biquadratic polynomial are 2 plus or minus root 3, find the other zeros. So what is a biquadratic polynomial? What he has given? X power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. So for this biquadratic polynomial, we have 4 zeros. Out of 4 zeros, he has already given 2 zeros. One is 2 plus root 3. Other one is 2 minus root 3. Plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1 means we have to take one term plus one term minus. So what he has given in the data, I will write in the data. So given 2 zeros are. So one is 2 plus root 3. Other one is 2 minus root 3. So these are the 2 zeros he has given. So these 2 zeros we convert into the factors. How to convert into factors? Simple. X minus that 0. X minus that first 0. And X minus that second 0 are the factors. If A is a 0, X minus A is the factor. If minus A is the 0, X plus A is the factor. Already these concepts you learn in the 9th class. So I have converted into the factors. I will simplify these factors. So this is X minus 2 minus root 3 is a factor. And this is X minus 2 plus root 3 are the factors. When A is a factor and B is a factor, AB is also a factor. So I will multiply this one. So therefore, X minus 2 minus root 3, we are multiplying with X minus 2 plus root 3. I kept bracket for first two terms. So this is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. Already you have learned the identity in the 8th classes. A minus B into A plus B. So A square minus B square. A square minus B square. So we have to simplify this one. So this is in the form of again A minus B whole square. What is A minus B whole square formula? A square minus 2AB plus B square. So A square minus 2AB. 2 into x into 2, that is clearly 4x, plus b square, 2 square, 4, minus root 3 square, root and square root will get cancels. So what I am getting it as 3. So ultimately what I am getting the expression quadratic polynomial, that is x square minus 4x plus 1. So based on these 2 zeros, I got one more quadratic polynomial. This is also a factor for that one. So when this is a factor for that one, we will divide it, this quadratic polynomial, with the biquadratic polynomial. We will get the quotient as a quadratic polynomial. If you factorize that quadratic polynomial, we'll get other 2 zeros. So that is the logic we are applying here. So we'll divide by long division method. So what we have here, x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. We are dividing with whatever we got the expression. Based on these two factors, we got quadratic polynomial. So we are dividing with this one. X square minus 4x plus 1. So divide it. You know the process of dividing. So these three terms you multiply with x square. So what you will get? X power 4 minus 4x cube plus x square. So subtracted, this is become minus and this become plus, this become minus. Change into opposite signs. Plus become minus, minus become plus. First term will get cancels. Here I am getting it as plus 4 minus 6. Plus 4 minus 6. It is clearly minus 2x cube. And this is how much it is? Minus 38x square. Plus 138x minus 35. I have dumped here, copied here. Again you have to multiply with, here it is 2 minus 2x. Check it with minus 2x. All these three terms you have to multiply with minus 2x. X square minus 2x. That is minus 2x cube. Minus 4x into minus 2x. That is plus 8x square. 1 with minus 2x. So that is minus 2x. So change the signs. This become positive. This become negative. This become positive. So this will get cancels. What I'm getting here it is. So what I'm getting here it is 46. Ultimately it is how much it is? Okay. Okay. So based on these two factors, so we got it. Now we will divide this quadratic polynomial with biquadratic polynomial. Definitely we'll get the remainder 0. In the quotient we'll get a quadratic polynomial. So we'll divide it. X square, you multiply this x square minus 4x plus 1. We are dividing with the biquadratic polynomial. We'll multiply with x square here. These three terms you have to multiply with x square. X square into x square, x power 4. Minus 4x into x square, that is minus 4x cube. 1 with x square, that is 1x square. So while subtracting, change the signs. Minus plus become minus, minus become plus, and plus become minus. So first term will get cancels. What is left out here? Plus 4 minus 6, that is clearly minus 2x cube. Minus 1 minus 26, minus 27x square. And the remaining two terms I am copying here. That is 138x minus 35. Again you can multiply with minus 2x. These three terms you have to multiply with minus 2x. X square into 2x minus 2x, that is minus 2x cube. Minus 4x into minus 2x, that is plus 8x square. 1 with minus 2x, that is minus 2x. So while subtracting, change the signs. Plus become minus, become plus, plus become minus, and minus become plus. So change the signs. After that, what you are getting here? Ultimately what you are getting here, minus 8 minus 27, minus 35x square. And here it is 140 plus 2 plus 138. It is clearly 140x. And the remaining you can copy down. Now multiply with minus 35. Multiply with minus 35. So all these three terms we have to multiply with minus 35. What you will get? X square into minus 35. Minus 35x square. Minus 4x into minus 35. It is clearly 140x. 1 with minus 35. Minus 35. I got the same expression. If I change the signs, every term will get cancelled, so I'm getting 0. Definitely I should get 0. Why? Because of it's a factor. Now the total expression, the dividend, the total dividend, we can write it as divisor into quotient. Anyhow, the remainder part is 0 here. Remainder is 0, we cannot consider this one. So that I am writing here it as, therefore x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 is equal to dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. So x square minus 4x plus 1 into x square minus 2x minus 35. Already you know that how you got this one, x square minus 4x plus 1. So based on this multiplication of these factors, this factor, you have multiplied it here and you got this quadratic polynomial. So that I can write it here it as x minus of 2 plus root 3 and x minus of 2 minus root 3. So these are the two factors. Already from this only I got it as same thing. The remaining part, whatever the remaining part, we have x square minus 2x minus 35. So we'll get other two factors here. We'll get other two factors. So this is the sum I'm doing here. So x square minus 2x minus 35. Factorize it. 135 is a 35. So minus 35. What are the factors for minus 35? So 7 5s I can take it as 7 5s are 35. And I should get minus 2 when we add it these two. So minus 7 plus 5. Minus 7 plus 5 is minus 35. Minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2. So this is the pair it shoots here. I am factorizing it. X square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. So I can take x common here. So if I take x common, x minus 7 left out. In the last two terms I can take 5 common. If I take 5 common, x minus 7 left out. Again x minus 7, x minus taken 7. If I take common, what is left out? X plus 5. So x plus 5 is left out. So I can write this as this quadratic polynomial as this into this one. One is x minus 7 and one is x plus 5. So I got all the four factors. Now these four factors I am converting into the zeros. So last two factors I am converting into the zeros. X minus 7 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 7. So 1 0 I got it. X plus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5. I got one more 0. So already two zeros already you know that. One is 2 plus root 3. One is 2 minus root 3. Already we have two zeros. I'm not focusing on this. I'm focusing on what I required other than these two zeros, which is 7 and minus 5. So that's all about this sum. So once again briefly if I go further, first of all, when 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3 are the zeros, then you have to convert into the factors. I have converted into the factors as x minus 2 plus root 3, x minus of 2 minus root 3 are the factors. These two factors I have multiplied it. So whatever I have multiplied, I got x square minus 4x plus 1. This is also a factor for the given polynomial. If a is a factor, b is a factor, ab is also a factor for the given polynomial. So when this is a factor, we are dividing with a quadratic polynomial to by quadratic polynomial, we will get the quotient as a quadratic polynomial. I got it as x square minus 2x minus 35. Further, if I factorize, I got x minus 7 into x plus 5. So these factors I have converting to the zeros. So x minus 7 is equal to 0. X plus 5 is equal to 0. I got it as 7 and minus 5. So that's all about this sum. You also try it and get it.